Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Did you know that you need to do something if you were once raped, hijacked, pointed by firearm, stabbed, involved in an accident, or you've injured yourself badly? Did you know that you need to do something about it? I've seen many people coming to me, and I've realized that their problems, it's a problem that they had before, but they've ignored it. Or the problem that the family is facing, it's something that happened to them before. So it's coming back, it's coming back, it's coming back. That's why in the Nguni cultures, or rather Nguni tribes, if somebody died in an accident or was injured or died by a knife or any weapon, firearm or whatever, that person doesn't enter the yard. He comes in the morning, doesn't enter the yard, because the belief is that he's going to make others to follow him the same way. There's different meanings on that. But I'm just asking today, if did you know that you need to do something? There are people that have been raped not once, not twice, not 3 times. Why? Because of they did not do something about it after the first time it happened. Sometimes the parents didn't tell you. You grow up and life changes and everything. It doesn't ring a bell, or you just don't remember if that thing once happened to you when you are still young, whether you are a male or whether you are a female. We need to be careful. We need to be careful. We need to pay attention in such things. We did talk about a relationship cleansing. There are many things that needs cleansing. And you can go anywhere for that help. It's not the help that it strictly needs muti or it strictly needs water or prayer. No, it's up to you. Where do you want to go? But if you know that something happened to you, please go get help. Thokozani. Sarwa sendoda. Till next time.